We are now on the second part of the mathematical system. Defined terms. Yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon dito sa ating matsayang talakayan. Kaya, stay tuned! Hello, grade 8 learners! On this video, we will talk about the second part of the mathematical system. So we have to discuss defined terms. In the previous video, we have discussed that there are 4 components of the mathematical system. We discussed undefined terms. So for today, we will talk about defined terms. Ano nga ba ang defined terms na sinasabi natin? Defined terms are having some sort of definition, terms that have a formal definition and can be defined using other geometrical terms, and it is a definition that explains the meaning of a term, a word, phrase, or other set of symbols. So we can define other terms of the mathematical system in terms of undefined terms. We can now use point, line, and plane in defining new terms. For example, we have to define collinear and coplanar. Collinear points are points that lie on the same line. For example, we have line T. Points M, A, T, and H are collinear since they lie on the same line, which is on line T, meaning yung point M, point A, and point T, and point H ay nasa iisang line. That's why they are called collinear points. Ano naman ang coplanar points? Coplanar points are points that lie on the same plane. Nandun naman sa iisang plane. So let's say we have this. On plane A, point P, Q, and R are coplanar since they lie on the same plane, which is plane A. Another is a line segment. A line segment is a part of a line consisting of 2 points, called endpoints, and the set of all points between them. A segment designates a portion of a line that has 2 endpoints. For example, we have here a line segment. Segments are named by their endpoints. So let's say we have in line PT, the segments are the segment PE. Another is segment ET and segment PT. Remember that these segments are part of line PT. Another is ray, or what we call the half line. A ray is a part of a line consisting of a given point called the endpoint and the set of all points on one side of the endpoint. For example, it is symbolized by ray AB. Okay, wherein A is the initial point. So, kung saan yung initial point, yun yung mauunang representation sa symbol natin, yung letter na yon. Okay, so it can be ray AB which extends in one direction without end. Take note that in a line, it can be line AB is the same as line BA. And in segment, AB or segment AB is the same as segment BA. But in array, ray AB is not the same as ray BA. Okay, so bakit? Kasi sabi natin sa ray, ang starting point o initial point niya ay doon sa given point. Okay, so halimbawa, sa ray AB, ito yung ray AB, nag-umpisa sa point A, patungo doon sa arrow. Okay, yun ang ray AB. And then for the ray BA, ito yung kanyang initial point, kaya mauuna natin ilalagay yung B. So this is ray BA, papunta doon sa line na yon or sa arrow na yon. In a line, meron tayong tinatawag na opposite rays. So if C is between A and B, then magkakaroon tayo ng ray CA and ray CB. So mahahati yung line. Halimbawa, ito yung kanyang initial point. Okay, papunta sa left is what we call ray CA. Papunta sa right is what we call ray CB. Since they are on opposite direction, so we can call them as opposite rays. And of course, C is the common initial point for the rays. Okay, so another is what we call the point of intersection. It is the point or set of points where lines, planes, segments, or rays cross each other. Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon tayo ng point or points of intersection kapag nag-intersect yung plane, yung segments, rays, or lines. For example, we have this, two lines that intersect at point E. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ito ngayon yung kanyang point of intersection, yung point E. Okay, so lines intersect at a point. Another, we have line CD and line BA or AB intersect with each other. So, line CD and AB intersect at point O, meaning na ang point of intersection ay yung point O. Planes can also intersect. When planes intersect, then points of intersection are set of points. So kapag set of points yan, it will form a line. Halimbawa ito, these are set of points na intersection ng dalawang plane. That's why planes intersect at a line. And now it's your turn. Get your notebook and pen and do this activity. So, using the figure, you're going to answer the following questions. Number 1, name all rays with endpoint X and which of these rays are opposite rays. Number 2, name all collinear points. Number 3, name all coplanar points. And number 4, name the segment or segments that lie on line N. And that's for today, guys. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Again, this is Teacher Dali na nagsasabing, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching!